According to the U.S. Department of Energy, widespread integration of LED lighting by 2030 will save approximately $120 billion in U.S. spending, enough energy savings to equal the annual electrical output of 50 large power plants. If you have existing HID, metal halide or high-pressure sodium, or existing fluorescent T5 or T8 lighting, you could realize anywhere from 50% to 75% energy savings and eliminate maintenance for the next 20 years by upgrading to LED. With utility company incentives at an all-time high for LED lighting, the cost to upgrade to LED high bay could be drastically offset. These are typical glary LED high bays. Notice how the LEDs face downward. Heat emitted by the LEDs pools and collects below the fixture, and dust and dirt accumulates on the horizontal surfaces above, like a blanket. Airflow is limited. This can result in compromised fixture performance and life over time. But what if the board was turned on its side, providing light control and thermal regulation? Introducing Verticool. As the air passes across the LEDs, the heat dissipates, and the issue of dust collecting is drastically minimized. This is Verticool technology, and it is now offered in the new LED HBL Series High Bay by Envirotech Lighting, the low-glare indirect lighting solution. Equipped with both LED module and LED driver by Philips Lighting, the LED HBL is rated at 140 lumens per watt and designed to last 100,000 hours, which is why it comes with an industry-leading 10-year warranty. The LED HBL High Bay comes ready to install out of the box with power cord and toolless adjustable aircraft suspension cable included. Plus, we created an elegant way to combine multiple units, so you can easily configure the amount of light needed for your application. Adding occupancy sensors is easy with the iQuick plug-and-play toolless system. Turn any fixture into an intelligent energy saver instantly. And most importantly, our fixture is DLC listed, which means it will qualify for rebates. Energy Retrofit Company is a nationally recognized energy services company that specializes in utility-funded lighting programs. Ranked #1 in total kilowatt hours saved by 2 of the largest utility companies in the U.S., Energy Retrofit Company has saved its customers an estimated 50 megawatts, equal to the annual production of a small power plant. Allow us to be your energy partner and join in on the LED lighting revolution.